It feels like something just dropped into my lower intestines.
Toss a ball,
Hey, it smells like cherry.
and win a
Maybe
stuffed
grape.
seahorse.
You ready?
play.
Here
Sure.
it is,
Give me your
the
best shot.
sunset.
Thanks.
I always love to count it down. 5, you do the rest, buddy.
Now you try.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Cut. Who's TV up this time?
We gotta do that.
Well, I am TVO Kids fan, and I will be the tackle mascot.
I'm sorry, but no, I can't do that.
Falling right out of the sky. We gotta drop the load.
Why not, Hugh? Because my boss, TVO Mario, will reject fire me for another one of the ways to keep ahead once again. God! Why is
Okay, let's just wait for us to come back and then we'll do take what you want.
It's one accolade again.
Surprise!
Now,
It's okay.
Another
We'll just
color
wait for
blooper?
S to come back and
Me.
then we'll do take
no, not another blooper. Joke or something. Come on, B. Now the TV attack. All those different weathers. Why do we have to keep color bloopers every single time? But we make these color bloopers for a reason, you know. Seriously, another different number? Please don't tell me that I was at the tea party with someone again.
It was the experiment.
Obviously, it's I's fault
I
this
blame
time.
science.
This is
Stupid
boring.
science.
That was a wonderful blessing. Anyways, you guys and the worst TVO have a secret wife of pets
What's
colors.
going on? I know it's a stupid
Oh,
question, but is
whoops.
there any ice cream?
It's okay. We'll just get back into the normal colors and then take 7.
You animals! You didn't even leave me one drop! There's gotta be some left in here!
Now let the real experiment begin.
Come on, get in my mouth! This was empty!